Welcome to Raj Technologies. Before starting the topic, please subscribe my YouTube channel. In this channel, there are many useful Oracle, Unix, Informatica Powercenter, Informatica IICS-IDMC, Snowflake, Python, and many other courses. Videos are available. You can watch the videos, practice them. While practicing, if you like them, please press a like button and comment on the videos. And we have a website called rajinformatica.com. In this website, we have many materials like Powercenter, Informatica, Unix, Oracle, Snowflake, Python, and many interview questions like Powercenter, Oracle, IICS, Snowflake, Python, and many courses, interview questions and material available. Please browse my channel, rajinformatica.com, for many other courses. We have been in this industry from 3 years and we have completed almost 25 batches of Informatica, and we have started Snowflake training, Python full stack training, and we'll be starting all the cloud and all the other trainings. You please keep browsing my rajinformatica.com channel for more courses, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start the session. Good evening, everyone. Before starting the session, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Raj Informatica. I am sending you in the group. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Click on subscribe and click on bell icon. Once you click on bell icon, you will get the notifications, you will get the updates from Informatica YouTube channel. So we have almost 34.6K subscribers. So, and we have 100 plus videos available. So in my YouTube channel, you can see Informatica Powercenter, Informatica IICS-IDMC, Azure, AWS DevOps, Snowflake, Python, yeah, Power BI. So these are the videos, many useful videos are available. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Then we have our own website called rajinformatica.com. So this is our official website. So in this website, you can see all the courses: Azure, Power BI, AWS, Snowflake, Python for ChatGPT and AI, Informatica Powercenter, IDMC, Tableau. These are the courses we have, and we will soon launching generative AI, React.js, Salesforce, GCP, etc. So we are starting the new courses. So please, and also in this website we have different materials called Powercenter materials, Informatica materials, Unix, Oracle, data warehouse. Then we have Powercenter interview questions, Oracle interview questions, IICS IDMC, CI. These are the interview questions available. Okay. So now let's start our session. So today is our Batch-03 Session-1. So we have completed our demo session. So I hope everyone is joined in our demo session. So have you joined the demo session, guys, last session? Have you joined the live session last time, the demo session? So if you not joined, also not a problem. No issues. We'll start from the scratch. But if you did not see in the last session, so this is a YouTube link for the last session. So you can go through this link and watch. I have given an introduction about. I have given introduction about Informatica IICS. What is the differences? So all those things I have given. So now, so please provide your mobile numbers. Please provide your WhatsApp numbers. Okay, in the chat, so that we will add you to the WhatsApp group. We will add you to the IICS project WhatsApp group. Okay. So please provide your WhatsApp numbers in the Zoom chat. Will you provide everyone? Everyone, will you provide, guys? So please provide your WhatsApp numbers if you want me to add to the WhatsApp group. So we'll share you the WhatsApp group link separately, whoever given the numbers. Okay, you can join and you can get the updates about Informatica over there. Okay, guys. So please provide your numbers, your WhatsApp numbers in the group. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now let's start the session. So let's start the session. Yes, please. Hold on. Yes, so please provide the numbers. Now, let's directly, before going to that, okay, let's give a quick recap about the last session. So we are all learning Informatica IICS, Intelligent Informatica IICS means Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. IDMC means Intelligent Data Management Cloud. So that's the full form of IICS IDMC. So you know everyone Powercenter. Do you know Powercenter, everyone? Whoever joined today's session? Everyone, do you know Powercenter? Could you please reply in the group? Okay. If you know, then it is good. Okay. So if you know Powercenter, then only you can learn IICS. Then only you can learn IICS. So quickly we can recap. So Informatica Cloud is bundle of services. IDMC is a bundle of. Previously, we had only IICS, that is CDI and CI. Now we have IDMC. IDMC means we have cloud data integration, cloud application integration, cloud data quality, cloud data profiling, cloud data governance and catalog, metadata command center, and business to business, master data management, business 360, customer 360. So these are all called IDMC. But we need to learn only two. What are the two things we need to learn? CDI and CI. If you want to get a job, we need to learn CDI and CI. Only this cloud data integration, cloud application integration. Okay. So Informatica Powercenter is an on-premise tool. Informatica Powercenter is an on-premise tool, but IICS is a cloud-based tool. So whatever you can work, you don't need to install any software. If you want to work with Powercenter, you need to install Informatica Server, you need to install Informatica Client, etc., etc. But to work with Informatica IDMC or IICS, you need to just install a small software called Secure Agent, just a small software called Secure Agent. It is just a small software, and you can work everything on Chrome. You can work everything on Chrome. Okay, so in the Chrome you can log in and you can work. So that's about Informatica. Yes, please. Informatica IDMC. So Informatica Power Center plus IDMC, more openings, good packages. It is IDMC is easy, very easy if you know Power Center. IDMC and coding, no coding. Certifications, no need to do any certification. Will provide end-to-end CDA end-to-end training, CA end-to-end training, 60 plus mappings with real-time documents, real-time mapping documents, complex project, which we did not do in Power Center. Power Center, I given a complex project, but here I am giving another complex project so that you will get good experience with this. And I'll provide Informatica interview questions, CDI, CAI, and also Power Center. Will build your resume and will give the job assistance, and will give the overview of, will give some basics of Snowflake, Salesforce, Azure, GCP, AWS basics will cover. And it is 45 days course, 80 plus hours, daily 2 hours. It's 45 days course, 80 plus hours, daily 2 hours. The timings are morning 8 to 10 a.m., evening 8:30 to 10:30 a.m. Okay, Monday to Saturday or Monday to Friday. Yes, please. So this is about this. Just hold on a second. Hold on a minute. So and the fees for IDMC is 17,000, both CDA and CA. So if you pay today, it is 16,000. I'll give the phone pay or GPay number. You can directly post, or you can go to website, or you can go to Raj Informatica website. Okay, and you can pay from there also by using whatever the so you can click on Informatica IICS. Okay, so here you can go to Informatica IICS. Yes, please, and you can join the course. You can pay and enroll. It's 17,000. Okay, so you can pay 16,000 if you pay today only. Okay, so and if you want to learn both Powercenter and IICS, if you don't know Powercenter, if you do not know Powercenter, you must learn Powercenter first. Powercenter is 15,000, IICS is 17,000. Both will become 30,000, but we are giving for 30,000. Okay, Powercenter plus IICS. Okay, if you want to ask anything, please ask in the chat box. Please ask in the chat box. If I unmute you, people will get disturbed. So please ask in the chat box. Okay. Now, so if you want to join, you can always call to these numbers or WhatsApp to these numbers 911-386-1544 or 8105296858. Okay. So these things. Now, the system requires the if you wanted to install. See, if you want to work with IICS, you no need to install any database. But if you want to practice, you need to install Oracle. If you already install Oracle, if you have already SQL developer which is working, then no need to install again. You can use the same. If you already installed Oracle, if you already installed Oracle SQL developer and if it is working, then no need to install again. You can use the same. Okay, got it, guys? Please reply yes or no. Everyone able to understand? Could you please reply? Everyone able to understand? Could you please reply, guys? So somebody are asking a question. I have 6+ years of experience on other ETL tools. Is Powercenter mandatory for learning ISSC? Informatica Cloud is an extension for Informatica Powercenter. Informatica Cloud is an advanced version of Informatica Powercenter. Without learning Informatica Powercenter, you cannot learn IICS. If you learn Informatica Powercenter, I have explained all the concepts in Powercenter. If you understand Powercenter concepts, IICS is easy, otherwise difficult. So whatever the experience you have, whatever the tools experience you have, if you understand, okay, then only if you understand Powercenter, then only you can learn IICS. So before learning IICS, learn Powercenter first. We have Powercenter batch also running. Okay, and we will give the lifetime recording videos. The videos will be lifetime, don't worry. Videos recording will be lifetime, you no need to worry. Okay, yes please. Fine, let's start. So now how to start with IICS. Please provide information about current job market about for IICS. Powercenter and IICS, there are many openings. If you want, you can open Naukri or Monster or LinkedIn. You see here I am opening my LinkedIn page. Okay, I am opening my LinkedIn page and I will search for, just I'll show you. I am searching for Informatica. Okay. I'm just searching for Informatica. Here, once you search for Informatica, go to posts. Go to posts. See here, Informatica developer. Okay. So Informatica production support. Yes, please. Currently looking for Informatica potential candidates. You can see n number of jobs. See here. You can see n number of jobs, please. Understanding, everyone? Informatica plus IICS having good calls. Yes. So please, everyone. So no need to worry. Job market is good for Informatica. Okay. Yes, guys. See, experience on with SQL, Informatica Powercenter or Intelligent Informatica Intelligent Data Management Cloud. So we are having good openings. You no need to worry. Yeah. Okay. Now how to start with IICS? How to start with IICS? I am telling now. So please observe carefully. So to start with IICS, you need to create a trial account first. To start with IICS, you need to create a trial account. So I am giving the trial account to you. So directly copy paste this link in Chrome. I am giving to everyone in the chat box. This is the trial account for CDI and CI. Trial account for CDI and CI. You can work on CDI or you can work on CI in with this trial account. So please copy this trial account and paste it in the Chrome. Open any Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome. Okay. So once you open the Google Chrome and paste it here, you need to paste it. Once you paste it, okay, GPay number is India number. Okay, for US candidates, you can pay through Zoom platform, XOOM, or if anybody are in India, okay, you can ask them to pay. Yes, please. So no need to worry. Yes, now. So just copy paste this and give your name, first name, last name. So first name I am giving Raj, last name V. Job title, anything you can give. Okay, work email, Gmail ID you give. Okay, any Gmail ID, working Gmail ID you should give. I am giving any Gmail ID. Okay, working Gmail ID. Select role, any role you can select developer. Phone number, give any number. No need to give your number. You can give any number. Organization name, you can give any organization name. Country, you can select India. Okay, Karnataka. Yes, please. Anything you can select here. Bangalore, and I am giving the pin code. Yes, please. And here only North America it is showing. Just start your free trial. So once you click on start your free trial, you will get an email. See, I got an email. You will get an email like this. Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services account. Now what you have to do, you need to verify this. When you click on verify, it will ask the password, confirm password, and also it will ask the password, confirm password, and also it will ask you the security question. So all these things I have explained in my YouTube channel. So in my YouTube channel, there is a IICS installation video is there. So I am providing this IICS installation video. Okay. So here Informatica Cloud IDMC or IICS create trial account install. So in this, I have clearly explained what to do. So please watch this and you can install here. Please watch this and you can install. I'm sending you this link. This is the YouTube link to install Informatica IICS. Okay. So please use this link and install it. Once you install, you need to open this link. In the email, there is a link. Always work IICS with incognito mode. Always work IICS with incognito mode. So go to Chrome. Here, new incognito mode. Click on new incognito mode and give this URL. Once you give this URL, it will ask username, password. The username is your Gmail ID. The username is your Gmail ID. And password, whatever you set. Password is whatever you set. I am clicking login. Once you click on login, it will show like this. Once you click on login, it will show like this. Okay. It will show like this. Yes, please. Hold on a second. Yeah. So now we are all learning what? We are all learning Informatica Powercenter. Sorry, Informatica. We are all learning Informatica. So please observe carefully. Informatica IICS or IDMC. IICS or IDMC. We are learning this course now. In this, we are learning CDI and CAI. CDI means what? Cloud data integration. CDI means what? Cloud data integration. Cloud data integration. This is called CDI. CAI means cloud application integration. Now, to work with CDI, once I log in, it has shown these services. These are the services trial account. This is 1 month trial account. After 1 month, you need to use another Gmail ID to create another account. Now, here we have API Center, API Manager, API Portal, Application Integration Console, Data Integration, Administrator, Monitor, Operational Insights. Now, to work first, we should work on CDI. First, we should work on CDI. Then we should go to CAI. First, we should work on CDI. Then we should go to CAI. If you want to work with CDI, what are the services we require? The services we require is administrator. We require administrator. Then what else we require? Then we require data integration. So these two are required if you wanted to work with. Okay. If you wanted to work with. Yes, please. Yes, guys. If you want to work with CDI, these two are required. If you want to work with CAI, we require administrator again. We require data integration. Yes, please. We require data integration. We require application integration console. Application integration console. We require application integration. We require API manager. We require API center. These are the on API portal. Okay. So if you want to work with CDI, only these two, administrator and data integration. If you want to work with CAI, we require administrator, data integration, application integration console, API manager, API center, and API portal. What are those things? Now, our concentration is only these two things: administrator and what? Administrator and data integration. See, we have show all services. They have given 1 month license only for these services. In IDMC or in IICS, we have many services available. When you click on show all services, we have Clear GPT, like Chat GPT, we have Clear GPT, We have cloud data integration for Powercenter, InfoCore, okay, and we have data access DAM, CDGC, data marketplace, this is CDP, CDQ, MCC, all these things are there. But we have license for 1 month trial account only for this. This is the trial account. In real time, we have the licensed versions. In real time, we have the licensed versions. But we need to practice means we should have created the trial accounts. How to create trial account? I given the link. And how to install Informatica Secure Agent. We need to install a Secure Agent, a small software. How to install? I given the video link. I'll send in the group again. Okay, you can install now. What we need to do? Right click on administrator, open in linked tab. Right click on data integration, open in link tab. And also we require monitor. We require monitor also. We require monitor. Here also we require monitor. Here also we require monitor. Just hold on, I'm getting a call. Hold. Yeah. So this is my LinkedIn ID. If you want to connect with me, you can connect to this LinkedIn ID. I'm sending in the group. You can connect with me. Okay, this is my LinkedIn ID. Yes, please. So now, hold on a second. Hey, where are we? So we require, if you want to work with cloud data integration, if you want to work with cloud data integration, we need administrator, we need data integration, we need monitor, we need monitor. Yes, please. So these are the things we require. Now, hold on 1 second, please. Just a second. Yeah, okay. Now, we will work with these things. Okay. So now what I have done, I opened in incognito mode. I logged into the URL which I given. So I right clicked on administrator, monitor, and data entry. This is the administrator. So this is the administrator. This is data integration. This is monitor. Now, first thing we need to check. If you wanted to work with Powercenter, what you will do? You will search with services and you will search whether Oracle and Informatica Powercenter working or not. Whether Oracle services and Informatica 10.2.0 running or not. Same way, automatically you don't need to restart. We have Informatica Cloud Secure Agent. It will be always running. You don't need to worry at all. But you have to go to runtime environment in administrator. So you can click on here. It will show all again. If you click on this down arrow mark, you can select anything. Now I am an administrator, Informatica administrator. Here you click on runtime environments. Under runtime environments, you will see your laptop name. This is my laptop name. Click on the down arrow mark and click on your laptop. Here you will see some services. ODI data collector, mass ingestion, common integration components, data integration server, process server. These should be up and running. So if you wanted to work with CDI, we require data integration server. If you want to work with CDI, we require data integration server service and common integration component service should be enabled and up and running. Okay, these two services should up and running. If you want to work with CAI, we require again common integration components. We require data integration server. We require common, this is process server. We require process server. So these three services are required if you want to work with CAI. To CDI, what we need to do? Go to runtime, click on administrator, click on administrator. Now click on runtime environments. Click on your laptop, arrow mark. Once you click on your laptop, these services should be up and running. Okay. Now up and running. Okay. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Okay. Everyone, are you clear? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understanding? Clear about it? Okay. Now let's do a mapping now. Let's do a mapping now. So please don't raise your hands. So if you want to ask anything, please ask in the chat box. If you want to ask anything, please ask in the chat box. Okay. Now, we'll do a mapping now. So if you want to do a mapping, I have a mapping document. We'll do a simple mapping, like in Powercenter. We'll do a simple mapping. So this I already covered in Powercenter. The same thing I am doing in IICS to understand you better. So we have a schema called OTSRC Dev 1. We have a schema called OTTGD Dev 1. In that locations table we have. And we have 23 records in location table. We need to send 23 records to target, but the condition should satisfy. Location is greater than 5. Location is less than 10. This we know how to do in Powercenter. Everyone knows how to do this mapping in Powercenter. By using a simple filter transformation, we can do it. Do you know, everyone, guys, how to do in Powercenter? Did you know? Please reply, everyone. Do you know how to do in Powercenter? If you don't know, please join Powercenter course first. Then join IICS. Yes, please. Please join Powercenter course first. Then come to IICS, please. Can you please tell yes if you know already how to do the mapping in Powercenter? If you know, could you please give a yes? Everyone, could you please give a yes? Now we will do the same one. So if you have already these schemas, no need to create again. I don't have them. So I am going to Oracle and I am creating the schemas. How to create the schemas? Click on sys, create, user, OTSRC Dev 1. I am creating the users. If you have already, no need to create the schemas. Use the schemas. I am just creating the schemas. Okay. Grant all privileges to OTSRC Dev 1. Grant DBA to OTS. If you are my student, then you will understand very easily. If you are not my student, also not a problem. Just I am opening SQL developer and I am creating a schema called OTSRC Dev 1. Also, I am creating another schema called OTTGD Dev 1. I am creating another schema called OTTGD Dev 1. I created two schemas. Now I am configuring OTSRC Dev 1 schema. OTSRC Dev 1 admin. I am giving a password called admin. Okay. Test. Save. Yes, please. Test and save. I created. Then one more OTTGD Dev 1. OTTGD Dev 1. Test. Connect. Save. Okay. I created OTSRC Dev 1 and OTTGD Dev 1 and OTTGD Dev 1. Now open OTSRC Dev 1. I don't have any tables. What I will do is I will give this. I have few. If you are my students, you could have already have these schema DDLs. Open this. Execute the schema DDLs in OTSRC Dev 1. In OTSRC Dev 1, execute this schema DDLs. Execute this schema DDLs. Then schema DDLs, once you execute, what do you need to do? What do you need to do now? You need to go to second notepad, schema DML. Execute them in OTSRC Dev 1. Execute them in OTSRC Dev 1 so that all the tables and data will create. These tables and data, not only this, I'll give more tables, more data I will give you just to start.
Just to start, I am giving this. Just to start, I am giving this. Now if you see, I have I am disconnecting and connecting. I will be having many tables here. So in this, we should have a table called select star from locations. We need a table called select star from locations. So this is a table which I have 23 records. Which I have 23 records. I don't know about Informatica, ETL or any SQL Python. I am 90 MBA 2014 passed out. My age is 40. Can I support? Yes. Yes, you can. So whatever it is, first learn Powercenter. Then come to IICS. No need to worry. So you can easily learn. No need to worry, guys. Okay. Yes, please. So please provide your WhatsApp numbers in the group. Please provide your WhatsApp numbers in the group. Okay. Please provide your WhatsApp numbers in the group. Yes, please. Now, so we have the source table. We have the source table. Now we need to create a target table with the same name, TG location name. How to create a target table? Same columns. Whatever the columns in source, same columns in target. Whatever the columns in source, same columns in target. So open OTTGD dev1 and create table OTT location dim as select star from OTSRC dev1 dot OTSRC dev locations where 1 equal to 2. If you want to copy the structure from one schema table to another schema, then you need to give this command create table TGD location dim as select star from OTSRC dev1 dot locations where 1 equal to 2. So we have got the table. So OTSRC dev1 dot locations, give locations correctly. OTSRC dev1, right? Yeah. Product into this. Hold on a second. Create a table select star from how to guess this database. You can install Oracle. You can search in my YouTube channel. You have. Okay, you can install Oracle. Once you install Oracle, you will get it. Okay. Yeah. So just hold on. I'm giving in capital letter OTSRC dev1 and I'm executing it. Create table name. TGT location dim. Hold on a second. We have anything? Oh, sorry guys. Maybe we have the tables in. Just a second. Let me see. We have few tables here in OTSRC dev1. Let's see. Otherwise, we can do it like this. So no need to worry about it. Just I am giving the DSC locations. I am giving DSC locations. So take this and put it here. Create table, or we can put it here. Okay. So what I am doing? Create table TG location dim. Okay, open the bracket and close the bracket. Country ID is number, I guess. Okay. So remove this not nulls. Okay, comma and semicolon, execute it. The TGT location dim is created. Okay, select star from TGT location dim. So we have 23 records in source. We have 23 records in source and we have 0 records in target. We need to send whatever the condition is satisfying. Location is greater than 5, location is greater than 5 and location is less than 10. We need to do it now. How to do it now? Let's see now. So to do that, you need to go to administrator first. You need to go to administrator. So in Powercenter, if you want to work, we should import the source tables and target tables, correct? What if I want to work with Powercenter? I am opening Informatica Powercenter. If I want to, okay, so there is some problem in my Powercenter. I need to restart my machine maybe. Just hold on. Let me quickly do it. Just hold on. The Informatica clients, Powercenter client, bin, workspace. Let me see this. Powermart.ini, where it is. Just hold on, guys. So maybe I have this. Where will I get DDL and DML? I will send you in the today's notes, in the today's folder. I will send you a Google Drive link. You will get it. Yeah, it will open now. Powercenter will open. Yeah. So Informatica Powercenter. So what we need to do? First, we need to connect. If you want to work with Powercenter, we need to connect with the repository first. Once we connect with the repository, we need to open the folder. Once we need to open the folder, we need to import. We need to import from the. We need to create a ODBC connection and we need to import. But in IICS, what to do? We need to create the connections. That's it. There is no import in IICS. What do you need to do? You need to just create the connections. Source, Oracle source connection, Oracle target connection. Yes, please. Oracle source connection, Oracle target connection. Just you need what? You need Oracle source connection, Oracle target connection. How to create Oracle source connection? Come to administrator, connections. Here you can see connections. Click on connections and click on new connection. Click on new connection. Here connection name. We are creating a Oracle connection. So I am giving Ora and schema name OT SRC dev1. Ora OT SRC dev1. That is my connection name. And type is, see, we have different types. Cloud integration of flat file, MS Access, MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle. Click on Oracle. Once you click on Oracle, you will get Oracle subtype, runtime environment. This is very important. So type when you select Oracle, you need to select your laptop name. Runtime environment is a secure agent. You need to select this. Then username. Go to Oracle and get your username. Select your Oracle schema, right click, properties. This is the username. This is the username. Yes, please. This is the username. So take this username and put it here. OT SRC dev1. OT SRC dev1. Password is whatever the password here. You need to give the password admin. I am giving the password called admin. Host is this one, local host. Host name. Port number 1521 already there. Service name is SID. You need to give SID, that is XC. And then code page UTF-8. So what do you need to do? Connection name Ora OT SRC dev1 or CONN OT SRC dev1. CONN OT SRC dev1. Then type is Oracle. Runtime environment is your laptop name. And then username, whatever the username we have here. And the password. And host is localhost. Port is 1521. Service name is SID. And test connection. When you click on test connection, it should show the test for this connection is successful. The test for this connection is successful. Understood everyone, guys? Are you clear? How to create a connection in IICS? This is called an Oracle connector. This is called Oracle connector. It is very easy, guys. IICS is easier than Powercenter. IICS is easier than Powercenter. Did you understand how to create a source connection in IICS? Did you understand how to create a source connection in IICS? Everyone, please reply. Everyone, please reply. Others, please reply. So once you've done it, save. Click on save. Here there is a save button. Click on save. Now go to connections. You can see the connection created. Same way, you need to create target connection now. How to create target connection? Come to connection, new connection, and connection name CONN, and schema name, target schema name is OT, TGT, Dev1, and type is Oracle. Whatever the database type, you need to select. Runtime environment, very important. Select it. Username is what? Go to OTTGT Dev1 and right click properties. So this is the username. Give it here OTTGT Dev1. Password admin. Host localhost. So you can copy or paste. Service name XC. Whatever we have, the same thing we need to give. Localhost 1521XC and test connection again. It should give and give test connection. What you need to do? It should give, yes, please, code page UTF-8, correct? Code page UTF-8. Okay, we given test connection. It will give connection successful. It will give connection successful. Yes, please. It is connection successful. Now save. The save is very important. So once you go to connections, yes, please. Once you go to connections, okay, code page, I'll explain about the code page later. Okay, if you wanted to get the accurate data, we should get the, if you wanted to work with accurate data, we should get the code page. Okay, we should get the code page. So we got OTSRC Dev1, we got OTTG Dev1 connections created. Now, if you want to create a mapping in Powercenter, what we need to do? You need to go to mapping designer. When you go on mappings create, and you need to give MP, okay, locations, TGT, like this, you need to give it. In Powercenter, we need to do like this, correct? Somebody is doing something. Okay, please do not, 1 second, just hold on. Just hold this. Yeah, M underscore locations TGT will create like this. In IICS, how to create? If you want to create a mapping in IICS, you have to go to data integration. Where you need to go? Here you click on it. Here you should go data integration. Click on data integration. Click on data integration. Once you click on data integration, it will open the window. It will slow sometime. So because many people are using the same website, so it will be slow. Okay, based on your internet connection, it will work. So it will open. Please wait with patience. If it doesn't open, then refresh it. Refresh it like this. So others who did not given the phone numbers, please give the phone numbers. Who did not give the phone numbers, please give the phone numbers in the chat box. Now, if you see this, this is the window. If you want to create a mapping, this is the window. Okay. So here, normally in Powercenter, before we creating a mapping, we create a repository and we create a repository and we create the folders. Same way, in IICS also, first you need to create, go to data integration, and go to explore, and create. What you need to do? Create a project first, then create a folder. What you need to do now? Go to data integration. This is Informatica data integration. Click on explore. Click on explore. Click on new project. Click on new project. Here you can give IICS training. You can give the name as IICS training. You can give the name as IICS training save. IICS training save. So we create a new project. Once you create a project, click on the project. Here you can create a folder. Click on new folder. Name batch 2 or batch 3 or whatever it is. I am giving batch 2, save. So we created a project and click on this batch 2. We are under all projects, IICS training project and batch 2 folder. You can go to explore anyways. You can go to explore, click on IICS training, click on batch 2. Okay. So you need to create a project first, go to explore, create a project and create a folder. Once you create a folder now, we need to create a mapping. How to create a mapping? Click on plus new. Click on new. Here we will be having tasks, data ingestion and replication, mappings, maplets, task loads, components. Okay. So we need to create a mapping. So click on mapping and create. Click on mapping and create. I am clicking on create. Here, just create. That's it. It create a mapping. No need to select anything. Just click on create and close. It has created a mapping. It has created a mapping. See, in Powercenter, if you go to mappings and create, and if you give a name, it will not show source and target. You need to drag and drop. So how? You need to drag and drop, correct? You need to drag the source table. You need to drag the target table, correct? In Powercenter, you need to do it. But in IICS, automatically it has come source and target. You need to configure the source and target. So what is the first step? Creating a project and folder one time. Once you've done, now you need to create a mapping, then configure source and target. Configure source and target for this mapping. So this left side window is called a connection window. This is mapping canvas. This is called mapping canvas. These are the transformations we have. Source transformation, target transformation, aggregator transformation, expression transformation, filter transformation, hierarchy parser, hierarchy builder, Java, joiner, lookup, maplet, normalizer, rank, router, sequence generator, source, sorter, SQL transformation, structure parser, union, velocity, web services. These are the transformations we have. So now, where we are on mapping 1, this is the mapping 1, and you can drag little up, little. This is connection window. This is mapping canvas. This is connection window. This is also called a connection window, or this is called what I can say, a connection window. Actually, this is called, the down part is called connection window. Now, see, we are on the mapping. The name of the mapping, click on the empty box. See this blue line, blue border, empty box. The name of the mapping is mapping 1. The location is in IICS training project under batch 2 folder. Now you give a different name. What is the name of the mapping? M underscore, the target table name. M underscore TGT location dim. M underscore TGT location dim. And click on save. Click on save. Once we click on save, it is saved. Now click on source. See, when I click on, please try to understand. See, once you do 5-6 mappings, this is little confusing. But once you're familiar with 5-6 mappings, This is very easy. If you wanted to see the mapping details, click on the empty box. See, the name is m_digit location dim and the way in which folder it is saved. Now we need to configure the source. How to configure the source? Click on source. What is the source name? Locations. Click on source. Name you give locations. Now click on source. Here in the left side, I was in C. First what I have done? I clicked on source. See, now here you need to observe one thing. Once you click on source, here there are three things. One is minimize. Next one is restore. Next one is maximize. So where are we now? Like this it was. What I have done, I created a mapping. And I clicked on source. And I renamed the source. Then you can maximize the window. You can do it right away here. But for better understanding, maximize. Now this is source properties. Click on source. Now click on connection. Whatever the connections we created in administrator, whatever the connections we created on administrator, it will show in data integration. In the administrator, what we have done, so it will open for some time. Let it open. In the administrator, we have created the connections. Now in data integration, what I have done? In data integration, what I have done? I clicked on the source and I renamed the source. In general, I renamed the source. Maximize it. Click on source. Now you need to select your source. Click on connection. Click on our source connection OTSRCDEV1. Source type single object, multiple objects, query, parameter. Select the first one, single object, and select from source schema in Oracle. It will show all the tables here. If you have the tables, I don't think so we have the tables here because I created in target schema maybe. Okay, I don't have the tables. I will create again. Just hold on. So I wrongly created in target schema at the time. So what I will do, I'll create again here. So just hold on. Okay. So wrongly I created in target schema at the time. So I'm creating in source schema. It's very easy, guys. It is very easy. You need to do 4 or 5 mappings. That's it. If you do 4 or 5 mappings, it is very easy. Yes, please. Yeah. So now, what I'll do now, I'll go to IICS. I'll close it. And I'll select again. Click on select. So what you do is, better go to source. Refresh it once. Better refresh it once. I'm refreshing it because it will take some time. So refresh it. So just hold on, guys. It will take some time. So everyone, are you able to understand clearly? Everyone, are you able to understand clearly? Could you please reply? Everyone, please reply. Okay. So now what I will do? I will click on source again and I will maximize. You can close this and I will maximize. Now click on source. So OTSRCD1 is selected already. OTSRCD1 is selected already. Okay, now click on select. Now it will show the tables which are available in OTSRCD1. When you select it, it will show all the connection, all the tables are views present in OTSRCD1. Sometimes it will slow. We need to be patient. Sometimes it will be slow. We need to be very patient if you wanted to work with IICS. In real time also same thing. It will take some time. It will take some time. See now, we have all the tables, whichever are in Oracle, we have all the tables mentioned here. Okay. So whatever the tables we have here in OTSRC1, the same tables present. So as per the mapping document, my source table name is locations. Select locations, click on OK. Select locations, click on OK. So I selected source and I selected OTSRC. I selected locations as the source object. Locations as the source object. Now what to do next? Please observe. You need to save it. Once it is selected, you need to save it. We need to save it. Just hold on a second. Okay. Just hold on a second. It will take some time, guys. There is no other way. Either you need to refresh or you need to wait. Now save it. Save. If you don't save and refresh, you need to do again. Saved. Now again, restore it. Now click on target. Now click on target. Give the target table name, TGT location dim. TGT location dim. Select it. You can give, if you want, you can give in capital or small, whatever. I'm giving in capital TGT location dim. And maximize again. And maximize again. Maximize again. And click on target. Click on target. Click on target. Now under the connection, select target connection. CONNODTGT1 and select the target object. Select the target object. Our target table name is TGT location dim. So select this TGT location dim. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now our source and target. What is this? Our source and target connections, and we have selected configuration is done. We have what we have done? We have configured source and target tables. We have configured source and target tables. Understanding, everyone? Once it is done, you need to save it. Once it is done, you need to save it. Once it is done, you need to save it. Just hold on. It will take some more time. It may take some more time. Just hold on, please. So you able to understand, everyone? Everyone able to understand? Are you clear, guys? So we require 5 or 10 more minutes. Hold on. We require 5 or 10 more minutes. Just hold on. Because today it is slow. Yes, done. Now save it. So my source and target both are done. So you can restore again. So you can drag it like this. You can drag it, source and target. You can drag it like this. Okay. And if you want, you can click on this. It will arrange like this. Okay. So now once it is done, you need to create a filter transformation. How to create? Either you can right click here. So when you click on here, there are 3 dots. Here you can click on filter, or in the left side, you drag the filter and put it here. You drag the filter and put it here. Okay. In the filter now, see, when I click on source, the source properties will come. When I click on target properties will come down. When I click on filter properties will come here. You can change the filter name, FIL underscore. What is the thing? Location ID, FIL underscore location. Okay, you can give FIL underscore location ID like this. So it will show filter name. Now click on filter. If you want, you can maximize it. Click on filter. Now here there are 2 things: simple, advanced, completely parameterized. Simple, advanced, and completely parameterized. See, when I click on, see here, please understand carefully. When I click on simple, there is nothing it is showing here. You need to, browser, you need to zoom out. You have to zoom out your browser. How to zoom out? Press Control button and scroll down your mouse button. When I scroll down, there is a plus button here. There are two conditions you can write, either simple or advanced. So click on filter, click on here simple already, click on plus. Now in the plus, what you can either what you can do like this, you can write it. What is the condition? Location is greater than 5. Location is greater than 5. Okay. What to do now? Click on here. See, these are all the columns from source. Location ID is greater than value 5. Click on plus again. And it will act as and. It will automatically act as and. It will automatically act as and. And now location ID less than 10. Location ID less than 10. Location ID less than 10. Okay. And you can save. Otherwise, if you don't require like this, if you are confusing, click on advanced. Click on here advanced. Define filter condition. Here you can give location ID is greater than 5 and location ID is less than 10, like you have written in Powercenter. In Powercenter also we do the same thing. Click on validate. Then the expression is validated. Click on OK. And click on save. Don't forget to save. Do not forget to save. Then restore this. One last step we have. In Informatica Powercenter, what we will do? We will drag the source. We will drag the target. We will create a filter transformation. And we will drag the things here. We will drag the columns here. We will write here location ID. We will write location ID is greater than 5. And location ID is less than 10. Done. Now we will drag it like this. Now in IICS, there is no drag and drop. There is no, you cannot see the columns connections one by one. But how to do? One last step. You click on target, maximize the target. There is a field mapping. There is a field mapping. These are source fields. These are target fields. You need to connect it like this. Location ID, address, postal code, city, state, country ID. You need to do like this in IICS. These are all, there are multiple automatic, completely parameterized, partially parameterized. There are many things available. I will tell those things later. Just what you need to do now. What you need to do now? You need to click on target, field mapping, target, maximize, field mapping, and drag it like this. Drag it location ID to location ID, address to address, postal code to postal code, city to save, and click on save. Now your mapping will become valid. Your mapping will become valid. See, in Powercenter, so this is Powercenter. Okay. So this is Informatica Powercenter. Yes, please. Powercenter. This is IICS CDI. This is IICS CDI. Hold on. If you wanted to get the data load, you need, what are the things you need? You need to create a mapping first, correct? First, you need to create a mapping. Then you need to create a session task. Yes or no, guys? In Powercenter, you need to create a session task. Then you need to create a workflow. But in IICS, directly we can run the mapping. Just create a mapping and you can run the mapping. Here you can always run the workflow. But in Powercenter, always run the workflow. Workflow will trigger session, session will trigger the mapping. But in IICS, we can directly run the mapping. But in IICS, you can directly run the mapping. But you need to create a mapping configuration task. What is that? MCT. mapping configuration task. Why? I will tell later. Because there are many options available in mapping. In mapping, there are no options available. But in mapping configuration task, there are many options available. So you need to create a MCT. Now, we created a mapping. What is the mapping name? Click on this empty box. M_TGT location dim. This is our mapping name. Same in Powercenter, we created a mapping. We will create a session task. But in IICS, we will create a mapping configuration task or mapping task, MCT. Click on new. Here, tasks, mapping task. We have different tasks. In this, click on mapping task. So once we create a mapping, what is the difference between mapping run and MCT run? See, mapping is having only source target transformations. That's it. But MCT will have, I'll show you now, MCT difference, nothing is difference. Both are same. If you run the mapping, data will load from source to target. If you run the mapping task, same. But in mapping task, like in session, you have many options. I will show you now. What you need to do now? Click on new. Come to here, mapping task. In the tasks, mapping task, create. Once you create, give the mapping task name MCT underscore M_TGT location dim or MCT underscore M_TGT location dim. It is under IICS training batch 2. Runtime environment, laptop, very important. Select your mapping. Whatever the mapping you select it. Click on select. Once you select the mapping, okay. Now click on next. See now, here we can schedule it. There are many options in mapping task. We can schedule it. We can email notification. We have advanced options, pre-command, post-command, pre-session command, post-session command, parameter file location, okay, execution mode, and many things are available in MCT. Many things available in MCT. Understanding? So that there are many session properties available in MCT. See, there are many. See, whatever you are seeing in session in Powercenter, all those things you can see in MCT. That is why always create a MCT. Always create a MCT. Don't in real time. We will create a mapping. On top of it, we will create. On top of it, we will create a MCT. Create a MCT name as MCT underscore mapping name. Automatically it will select the location and runtime environment you should select, otherwise it will not run, it will fail. Mapping you select, it will show the mapping here. Okay. Now click on next. These are all options we will see later and click on save. Click on save. Once you click on save, do I need to refresh the MCT each time once the mapping has some changes? No need of refresh. Okay, if you have doubt, you can refresh, but it will automatically take. If you have doubt, you can refresh. There is no harm in refresh. Before refresh, always save. Before refresh, always save. Okay, you can, but automatically it will take. What is the difference between a mapping run and MCT run? I already told there is no difference. If you run the mapping, the data will load from source to target. If you run the mapping task, MCT, the data will load from source to target. But in MCT, we have more options which we do not see. You can select here only. If you want to select mapping, just click on left side mapping M_. If you want to go to MCT, click on here, left side. So in MCT, there are more options. Now click on run. Once you click on run, started MCT M_, view in my jobs. There are two ways to view the job, failed or success. Go to my jobs and refresh here. It will show here it is starting. Okay, it will show. Or there is one more way. Go to monitor and refresh. See, in monitor, you can refresh here. Okay, click on here. Job is still in queue. It will start. Just it will go on running status here. You need to wait till the time. This starting will change to running. Then you can see. Okay, understanding everyone? So in the monitor, you can monitor like in Powercenter, how you will go to Informatica Powercenter monitor, right? Same way, either you can go, you can my jobs, you can in the data integration itself, you can click on my jobs. You can click on my jobs and see the job status. Okay, it will take some time, guys. For sure, it will take some time. So you need to wait it. You need to refresh and you need to wait. Okay, to load the data, it will take some time. Okay, so who is doing all these things? Secure Agent is doing. This small software, whichever we installed, this is doing all this data loading process. This is doing all the data loading process. Okay, so I'll tell more about Secure Agent later. So now, so we have to wait for these things. So did you understand how to create a mapping, how to use how to create a connection, how to create a project, how to create a folder, how to configure the source, how to configure the target, how to create a mapping, how to configure the mapping source, how to configure the mapping target, how to configure filter transformation, how to create a mapping task. Did you understand, everyone, please? Everyone, did you understand? Are you clear, please? Still it is in starting. You need to wait for some time, guys. You need to wait for some time for sure. So this is how once it is succeeded, the data will load from source to target. So the data will load from source to target. Still it is not loaded. Still it is not loaded. It will take some time. So once it is done, the data will got loaded. I'll update you about the next session. I will update you about the next session. So if you want to join, so please, whatever my team has, send the phone pay and GPay number. Okay. So send the phone. You can pay to that number, or you can always WhatsApp to 81052. You can always contact to these two numbers. You can always contact to these two numbers, and my team will explain you all those things. Okay. So these are our numbers. Yes, please. So the fee is 17,000. If you pay today, it is 16,000. There is 1,000 off. If you wanted to pay Powercenter plus IICS, it is 30,000. Okay. So surely it will be helpful. Only thing is, whatever I tell you need to do it. That's it. Whatever I tell you need to do it. So please provide the numbers. If you did not given, please provide your WhatsApp numbers so that we'll add you to the project WhatsApp group. So it is taking time, guys. Today I don't know. It is taking too much time. Can I work IDMC with 4 GB and IFA processor? Yes, you can. Try. You can. Because what I can say, because it is a lightweight software, right? You can try. But better I6. Okay. If you are paid, then that's good. We'll add you to the group. If you don't paid, we'll add you to the separate WhatsApp group, common WhatsApp group. If you paid, we have a separate WhatsApp group, students group. We'll add you to that. Okay. Yes, please. So I'll be slow, guys. I'll be always slow. No need to worry. Okay. Today is the first session. I went slow only. Okay. I went slow only. 8 a.m. IST. The timings are, there are two timings. You can join anytime. There are two timings. You can join anytime. One timing is this. 1 second. The timings are this one, right? Sorry. Powercenter, if you don't know, please work on Powercenter first, then come to IICS. Please work on Powercenter first, then come to IICS. So the timings, these are the timings. I'm giving you the timings here. Morning 8 to 10 a.m. IST, 8 to 10 a.m. IST. Evening 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. IST. You can join anytime. Whatever I tell in morning, the same thing I will repeat in evening. Whatever I tell in morning, the same thing I will repeat in evening. So it is still starting only. I don't know what is the problem. So, but it is taking too much time today. So you don't need to worry. So let's see the target table. It could have loaded now. But otherwise, we need to wait for it until and unless. But in real time, it will be faster. In real time, it will be faster because it's a trial account. Because it is a trial account, it may take time. Okay, I'll go slow. Don't worry. Okay, if you are my student, my flow, you can easily catch up. Otherwise, you need to wait for 2-3 sessions. Okay, once you go for 2-3 sessions, it is very easy for you. Okay, so don't worry. I'll go slow. Don't worry about it. So are you clear, guys? Everyone? So now see, It has went to queued status now. So after starting, it went to queued. After queued, it will go to running status. After queued, it will go to running status. It will go to running status. Yes, please. Guys, please learn Powercenter first. Because in interview also, they will expect Powercenter also. If you don't know Powercenter, just IICS will not helpful. You should learn Powercenter and IICS both. If you learn Powercenter, then IICS is very easy. So better learn both. Better learn both. Now see in running status. Now click on it. Here it will show multiple jobs. Here it will show multiple jobs now. Okay. Yes, please. Just refresh again. Okay. Don't restart. Sorry. Cancel it. So it is running. Once it is completed, it will show here. The statistics it will show here. The statistics it will show here. Just hold on. It will come here. See, it is in running status now. First is starting, then queued, then running. Okay, guys, are you clear? Everyone understanding? Did you understand today's session clearly? So please provide your WhatsApp numbers you did not given. Yes, please. Course duration, it's 1.5 month, 45 days, daily 2 hours. 45 days, daily 2 hours, 80 plus hours. I will give end-to-end IICS training. You will nowhere you will get this kind of training for just 70,000. Nowhere. Nowhere means nowhere. Okay, I can guarantee you. You will get all the sessions completely practical sessions I will provide. Completely into practical, please. You don't need to worry at all. Understood, everyone? So it is still just refresh it. Just refresh. So in the background, it will be running. If you refresh, nothing will happen. You don't need to worry. If I refresh, what will happen? Nothing. Because it's everything on, because it is everything on what? It's everything on cloud. It's everything on cloud. You don't need to worry about it, please. Understood, everyone? Are you clear? Clear about it, guys? Are you clear? So it is still taking time. Just refresh again. Or you can go to monitor. See now rows processed. If you see here, now please see it is completed. So source success rows is 23. Target success rows are 44. Affected rows 4. Affect rows 4. Now go to target and check. See location ID is greater than 5. Location ID is greater than 5. And location ID is less than 10. Location is greater than 5. And location is less than 10. Did you understand, please? Are you see now? Country ID we got 0. Then there is a mistake. Maybe there is some mistake. Country ID it is showing as 0 here. Why? Because now if you want now how to open the mapping, go to explore IICS training batch 2. Here click on mapping. Maybe we have not connected properly. Click on target, maximize it. Click on target, maximize it. Okay. Hold on a second. Now come to field mapping. So maybe a country ID to country ID, there is some problem. We can rectify the problem. Okay. I'll tell you in the next session why that is 0. Okay. I'll tell you about in the next session. Yes, guys. So how is the session? Everyone, are you able to understand the session? Everyone, are you able to understand the session, please? So I'll be telling all the transformations. Okay. Why it is taking time? If you encounter the same, how to fix on site. Location knows in the why it is taking time. You refresh it, please. You refresh it, it will work. You refresh it, it will work. Okay. So that's the thing, guys. So from the next session, we'll go in deep. We'll go very slow. No need to worry. We'll go very slow. No need to worry. Yes, guys. So please provide the WhatsApp numbers if you don't provide. So before winding up the session, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Before winding up the session, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So I am pinging you my YouTube channel link here. I am pinging you. Okay. So if you want to switch to Powercenter, you can switch. Not a problem. Please WhatsApp to 8105296858. Okay. Yes, please. First you learn Powercenter, then come to IICS. Before winding up the session, please subscribe my YouTube channel. There are many useful AWS, Snowflake, Python, Powercenter, IICS, IDMC, Oracle, Unix, many videos available. And please always go through my YouTube channel, rajinformatica.com. We have many materials available. We have many materials, Powercenter, IICS, Oracle, Unix, data warehouse, and many interview questions, Oracle, Powercenter, IDMC, IICS. All these are available. All these are available. Please go through this. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for joining. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining. Thank you all. I'll let you about the next session. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you all.
I hope you understood this topic well. Before closing the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, please browse my rajinformatica.com for all the software courses. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.